Introducing Snap Premium Decking from 3 patented innovations. Revolutionary decking with Spanish technology, with overlapping joints that visually hides the understructure and prevent loss of valuables. Its aluminum structure provides a rock-solid foundation with improved stability and loading capacity. Locking system with easy installation. The advanced locking system is designed in a way to allow secure, screw-free deck surface. This system is designed for a simple topside installation that is also faster to install and replace, saving time and money. Its protection shield adds an additional protective layer. It is anti-mold, requires hassle-free maintenance, and is resistant to moisture, scratch, and fading. No sanding, painting, staining is required. Just simple water and soap cleaning. It is that easy. Plus, it is covered with 10 years warranty assurance. To find out more, visit FloorXpert.